Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change a profile picture on Happn. I wonder why you want to know how to change a profile picture on Happn. Maybe because it's been a very long since you have changed your profile picture and now you want to change one. Or maybe you think there's some issue with your current profile picture, or maybe you have clicked a new picture so you want to upload that one, or there could be any other reason for you to change your profile picture on Happn. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can upload a profile picture on Happn. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Happn app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Happn app to open it. The app will just take a while to load all of its content, and there you will see the app will be on. If you couldn't see anything on your first page, then you can go to this browse section. There you will see the interface. This is how the app looks. Here we have a lot of options almost all over the screen. So from all these options and stuff, you just have to simply click onto your profile icon, which is on the top right. Once you tap on it, there you will see your current profile picture that we will change, and you will see your name and age. Now if you want to change your profile picture, you just have to simply click onto this edit option. Once you tap onto this edit option, you will get here, and there you will see your name and your profile picture. Now if you want to change profile picture, here we have this option which says edit, which is on your current profile picture. Just simply click on it and it will show you like this. So first you have to delete your existing profile picture and then you can add your picture, because if you upload a picture it will not be added as a main photo. So now you just have to simply click here, then you will get two options. Take a photo, that means camera will open and you will click a picture at the moment, and with the second option the gallery will open, and here I'm going with the second option. I will go to the gallery and select a picture from gallery and then will upload the picture. So here I have selected this picture. Likewise, you can choose any picture of your choice, then you can drag and select which part of the picture you want. And once you're done, just simply click on save and it will be uploaded. Now just simply click on confirm. It will just take a while to save and upload, and there you can see your new profile picture. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change a profile picture on Happn. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.